Good morning. In the previous class, we learned about the generations of computers and we learned about first calculating machine, that was abacus. And in this class, we are going to learn about the next devices. Okay, so the next device is Nappier Bonds. Okay, now we can learn what is Nappier bond and how Nappier bond works.
John Napier invented a manually operated calculating device called Nappier's Bonds. It consists of rods made of bonds, ivory or metal with numbers written on them. It could perform multiplication and division. Okay, so this is the picture of a Napier bonds and the numbers will be written on that. And using this you can perform the multiplication and division of any numbers. Now I will show you the demo how multiplication works. Okay. This is the working model of a Napier bond and the multiplication of 1, 2, 3 up to 9 is written on them, and I think everyone know the multiplication. So now we can find the multiplication result of some other numbers. Now I will show the multiplication of 12. Now here itself you can see for 1 it is written 12, for 2 it is 24, 3 36, like that it is written, and 8 it is 8 1 6, and before that for 5 it is 5 1 0. So you need to add 5 and 1, that is 6, and you need to put that 0, so it is 60, and 12 into 6 is 6 plus 1, that is 7, and 2, that is 72, and for 7 it is 84, for 9 it is 9, 1 and 8 is there, so you need to add 9 and 1, that is 1 0 and 8, so answer is 108. Now we can take 23. So 1 into 23 is 23, 2 into 23 is 46, 3 into 23 is 69, and again for 4 it is 8, 1 and 2. So 8 plus 1 is 9 and 2, that is 92. And for 5 it is 1, 0, 1, 5. So 1 you can put it like that, then 1 plus 0 is 1, so answer is 115. Like this you can find the multiplication of any number. Okay. Now we can find the multiplication of a 3-digit number. Here it is 234 and 234 into 5. We are going to find this one. 234 into 5. And now look there. It is 1. 0 plus 1 is there. So put 0 plus 1. Next is 5 plus 2 is there. So plus 5 plus 2 and 1 0 is there. Put it like this only. So 1170. So the answer is 1170. 234 into 5 is 1170. So like this you find the multiplication of any number you want. Okay. About Napier bonds. Next we can move to next device, that is Pascaline. The French philosopher and mathematician Blaise Pascal invented the mechanical calculating device called Pascaline in 1642. It could add, subtract and carry tens, hundreds and thousands between digits. Okay, so this is the picture of a Pascaline, and using this you can add, subtract and carry. Carry means in digital calculation whatever we get extra is called carry. That we will learn in higher section. Okay, about this carry, what is this carry and how it works. Okay, so in machine language we use this carry word. So the next device is difference engine. In 1822, Charles Babbage, a British mathematician, invented the difference engine. It could perform calculations and even print receipt. So this is the picture of a difference engine. Okay. Next is analytical engine. In 1833, Charles Babbage began working on the first general-purpose digital computer, which he called analytical engine. He developed it in 1837. The machine consists of four components, that is the mill, the store and the reader, and these are the four parts of this device. The mill was a calculating device similar to central processing unit of a modern computer. The store held data before processing, exactly similar to the memory and storage of today's computer. The reader and printer were the input and output devices respectively. So this analytical engine was the blueprint of the modern computers. Everything which is there in modern computer was there in analytical engine also. The mill, the store, the reader, printer. The name was different, but every use was there in this analytical engine. Clear? Next device is tabulating machine. In 1819, Herman Hollerith, an American inventor, invented the tabulating machine. It could read punch cards and store and process data. Hollerith later found the tabulating machine company, which was renamed to International Business Machine, that is IBM, in 1927. So this tabulating machine used punch cards. Punch cards are paper cards containing several punched holes to represent data. Next device is ENIAC. Between 1943 and 1946, the ENIAC, or the Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer, was developed by John Presper and Eckhart and John Mackley. It could process information 1,000 times faster than the previous computer, that is Mark I. So this was developed in 1943 and 1946, and before this there was a device called Mark I, and this is faster than that device. Okay, so in that picture you can see the ENIAC computer. The next one is EDVAC. In 1947, John von Neumann invented the EDVAC, or the Electronic Discrete Variable Automatic Computer. It has a central processing unit, or CPU, which allowed all computer functions to be managed through a single source. Next one is UNIVAC. In 1951, Presper Eckhart and John Macaulay designed the UNIVAC, or the Universal Automatic Computer. It was the first commercial computer made in United States. It contained thousands of vacuum tubes and used punch cards and switches to input, store and process data. You can see in picture these computers are very large in size. Clear?
I think all of you understood today's class. All of you take care. Bye.